So my buddy Dillon over at DAK Knives reached out to me and said, "Hey man, you want to do a collab?" And I said, "Heck yes, let's do it." So Dillon does a lot of awesome Damascus knives. So he said, "Hey, let's do a Nomad in Damascus." And I was like, "Yeah, for sure, let's do it." So he forged up this sweet billet of, let's get a focus. There we go. It's really sweet billet of twist Damascus and sent it over my way. So let's make a Nomad out of it. Shoo-wee! That's awesome pattern, Dillon. All right, well, that's a wrap for this one. Super fun build, turned out awesome in my opinion. Dillon made a great billet of Damascus here, that kind of varying pattern twist Damascus with the tight and the loose twists in there. Super cool. Thanks, Dillon, for collaborating with me on this one. And also honorable mention to the guy who made the handle scales. That was Gabe Grenell from Gabe Throws Files. He made that beautiful set of scales, which I think paired perfectly with this Damascus knife. We auctioned this one off, and it's already with its new owner. Tejas EDC actually picked this one up. Big thanks to him. And he is doing an unboxing video of this one. Should be posted on his channel in a few days, so go check it out. And of course, all the contributors on this project, their social media information and websites are down in the description, so go check those out, peruse the websites, follow people on social media. We all appreciate it. If you'd like your own Nomad, I do pretty regular drops, and I announce that via my newsletter and my social media. So go give me a follow, sign up for that newsletter, and you can pick up an awesome knife for yourself. So appreciate you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.